Hi, I'm Bree, and today I'm going to share a mini little plant haul with you. I bought 4 plants when I was on vacation in California in my hometown for my mom's wedding, and I wanted to share them with you. I was just coming off of a 1 month plant ban or no buy, and so these plants are extra exciting because I bought them on vacation. I got them right after a whole month of not being able to buy any new plants, and 3 out of the 4 of them were on my wish list, one of which was number 1 on my wish list. So I am so thrilled to share these plants with you. I'm still new to the YouTube space, so if you enjoy this video, I would absolutely love if you give me a thumbs up. If you want to chat with me in the comments and subscribe to my page to follow along my planty journey. Thanks so much. Okay, while we're all here, let me show you the plants I picked out. The first one, the big guy, I got a rat tail cactus. I'm so excited about it. Look how cute this is. They're drought tolerant. Let me tell you also, all 4 of these plants made it home with me from California to Buffalo, 8 hours in a plane in a tote bag carry on by my feet. So I was very much thinking about that when I was looking at all these plants. I couldn't get anything too large, anything too delicate. I was very aware of the fact that I had to get them home with me. So this rat tail cactus seemed a little big, but I knew it was a hardy plant and I was pretty confident I could get it home. And obviously I did. It's so cute. I'm so excited to have it. I'm hanging it in a in a west facing window in my plant room right now. Eventually, I think it might go in the living room once I have a good home for it there. The next plant I got while in California was also on my wish list. I always forget the name. Cactus names are very tricky for me, so I'm going to read it. It is a tephrocactus geometricus. Now, this cactus was on my wish list. This is the cactus that grows balls on top of balls. So eventually it's just going to have another round ball, another round ball. It is so cute. If I can, I'll insert a photo, but you can Google it. I'll have all the names in the description. I'm very excited to get this. This was the most expensive plant that I picked up while in California, but I had never seen it here, and I'm super excited to put it out for spring and summer outside and just see what happens. They can get pretty large, and they're so cute. I love the growth pattern. This little guy. Very easy to bring home. I just taped all around the soil. I had it in a paper bag. I knew this one would be just fine, sturdy. This was the one I was by far most excited about, but also most nervous because it is the most delicate one out of the plants I picked out. But I could not resist bringing it home because it was number 1 on my wish list. If you watched the video of Fern's tag where I was talking about wish list, this was my number 1 wish list plant for 2026, and I brought it home with me from California. It is the philodendron splendid. As you can see, many of the leaves got damaged. Now, this is something I kind of knew was going to happen. I mean, I was crossing my fingers that it wouldn't, but this is a velvet leaf philodendron. It is more delicate, and it had to sit in a bag for 8 hours, fully wrapped up. So I knew there was a good chance it was going to get damaged. I'm going to let it rehab in my house for 2 to 3 weeks before I decide what to do with it. I've been seriously contemplating just cutting it down and regrowing it out. That way I don't have to deal with these damaged leaves. But as of now, I have not fully committed to that idea. So I'm going to let it rehab, perk back up for a little bit longer, and then decide what to do. I might even chop some of these, try to get roots on them to have multiple plants, and then grow the stem back out. We'll just have to see. But I officially have a philodendron splendid in my possession, and I am so happy about it. The last plant I brought home with me is a little baby. It is one that my husband picked out, and he doesn't pick out plants too often, so when he sees one he likes, I always do my best to bring it into our collection. It is a baby succulent. I knew it'd be easy to bring home because it was so small. There were actually bigger ones, and I opted for the small one, so it'd be easier to bring home in my suitcase. This is a crassula perforata variegata. And then it says string of with no ending. So string of what? I don't know. But I love the variegation. It's super cute. Some of them were growing like way out here. I think this was $3 or $4. It's a tiny little pot. Again, very excited to see how this does. It'll be outside in the summer and I can see it exploding in growth. I hope you liked the 4 plants that I chose to pick out in California. I hope you enjoyed this haul video. If so, please write down below what plant you hope to haul next. I would love to chat about it. Always looking for new plants to discover and research online. Always looking for new planty friends, even more so. So I hope you have a beautiful day. See you next time.